how to upload shorts on YouTube from PC. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, go into our website and then open our YouTube. After that, make sure that you are logged in into your account. And then once you're now here, just click the create button in this part. Now, after that, you will see this upload video. So click upload video right there. And then after that, you will be redirected into YouTube Studio. So once you are now here, what we are going to do is to just click the X button right here. And then what we're going to do next is to go here on the Shorts tab. So make sure that every time you upload a short on your YouTube account, make sure that you upload it right here in the Shorts tab. And then after that, what we are going to do is to just click create button right here. After that, just click upload videos and then click select files. And then after that, all you have to do is to just look for the video that you want to post. And just make sure that the video that you're uploading is in the vertical format. So I will just use this as our example, which is a horizontal format. And then also make sure that the video is no longer than 60 seconds so that YouTube will see it as a short, not a long form video. After that, all you have to do is to just click next, and then click next once again. And then after that, you can now post it right here by just clicking the save button. And then all you have to do right here is to just wait for it to be uploaded. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to upload shorts on YouTube from PC.